This project for which we are organizing this academic training is part of one of UNDP's global initiatives on business and human rights. This project is currently being implemented in 17 countries across the globe. In Africa, we have 3 countries, and Ghana is one of them.
Have all been in support of this kind of agenda of ensuring that UN guiding principles become a benchmark for Japanese companies.
Policy commitment is usually a high-level commitment. It can be a statement, it can be a human rights policy. You see that many of these big multinationals already have tuned into that.
Very recently published an HR and anti-bribery policy and anti-corruption policy on the 1st of October. So that was our commitment and policy commitment we already made, and we wanted to find out how we could proceed further than that. So that session we had with Sarah yesterday again was quite insightful.
Learned a lot from you. Not just today, but previously. And I've gotten some great ideas for the national process from our informal stakeholder meeting that we did today. So thanks for coming, and I hope that going forward, I can count on you for further good ideas.
Honestly, I'm happy to be here, and I'm also privileged to be part of the group, to be the first group to know what's about to happen in the future. So that's a privilege, and I'm sure when it finally comes to its implementation, I'll be glad to say that I was actually part of it when it started. So thank you.